But anyway, marami po akong ready na kanta para po sa inyo. For my second song, ito po ay naging carrier single ng naging album ko sa Pilipinas under GMA Records. Ngayon po, ako po ay nasa GMA Network. Meron din po kaming channel dito sa iba't ibang bansa. Ang tawag po namin doon ay GMA Pinoy TV. So mamaya po sasabihin ko sa inyo kung saan nyo makikita ang GMA Pinoy TV. But ngayon po, let me sing a song for you. Ito po ay naging theme song ng isang soap opera sa Pilipinas. Actually, Korean novela siya na ginawa ng GMA. So, ito po ay para sa inyo. Ay, opo. Teka, sabi ni nanay, tingin ka naman dito, pakis. Teka lang. Mag-start na po yung kanta. Teka lang po. I've been alone, searching for love, till you come along and touch my heart. Tubi-tubi. With you in my life, I never think twice. It's you I've been waiting to call. Maybe it's you I'm thinking of, who mend this broken heart of mine. It's you I'm wishing for, to be with me tonight. Someone to hold, someone to cry, someone to make me feel alive. Maybe it's you all my life. Sana kaibigan ko yung mic Lonely hours, picture, picture, but just precious time. I to you, and I'm alright. Oh, never will die this feeling inside. With you, every moment forever. Maybe it's you I'm thinking of, who mend this broken heart of mine. It's you I'm wishing for, who'll be with me tonight. Someone to hold, someone to cry, someone who make me feel alive. Maybe it's you all my life. Hello. Hi. Come here. What's your name? Ano daw po? Sophie. Wow. You're like a star, Okay. Maybe it's you I'm thinking of, who made this broken heart of mine. It's you I'm wishing for, who'll be with me tonight. Someone to hold, someone to cry, someone who make me feel alive. Maybe it's you all my life. Someone to hold, someone to cry, someone who make me feel alive. Maybe it's you all my life. Maybe it's you all my life. Thank you. Thank you, Sophie. How old are you?
You're welcome,
How old are you?
Sophie.
20? Hindi. You're 3? You're 4? How old are you?
One.
Sabi niya, 4. Thank you! Yan. luck. Ayan, si Ate V po ang mamimili ng partner ko ngayon dito. Ate V, ikaw ang magiging judge kung sino ang aking partner dito para sa event na ito, Phil Am Friendship Day Festival. Ayan, ang saya-saya, ang dami-dami Pilipino. Mabait naman po yan si Mark, alam maintindihan niya yan. Okay. Yung naka-sombrero po, ayan. Ikaw, oo. Ikaw na pili ni Ate V. Mamaya ikikiss ka daw niya. Ako yan, si Kuya na lang. Kuya Psycho Ward. Gusto niyo kayo po? Ano? Kuya, siya na lang daw. Ganun talaga eh. Hello! Siguro naman marunong ka naman hindi ka naman ng Tagalog. Wow. Oo naman, sabi niya, oo naman. Yan, hi! Wow. Parang hindi naman tayo masyado nagkakalayo ah. Ano pangalan mo?
June.
Laki ng boses mo pare ah. June. June, ilang taong ka na dito?
Siguro mga 20 years.
20 years! Wow! 20 years pero yung Tagalog mo talagang diretso pa rin ha. Kasi nagulat ako dun sa mga iba na mga 2 years na, yung sure. Halika naman dito, huwag ka naman mahiya. Ayan. Ilang taon ka na?
Secret.
Secret? Hindi naman more than 20 years o ano.
Yeah. Older than that. Way older.
Way older. O sige, meron ka na bang asawa or meron ka na bang girlfriend?
Almost.
Almost?
But I'm still single right now.
Single right now? Since when? Since yesterday?
Let's go.
3 years ago ba? Hindi masyado matagal yun, pero hindi bali na. Ngayon, pwede ba kitang kantahan?
Glad to.
Okay. This song is for you, June. Ayan, hindi na kita tatawagin kuya. Hindi ko naman alam kung ilang taong ka na. So, kunyari na lang magka-age tayo. Para sa iyo to.